How to change reason in Riot account. First of all, go to the official website of Riot Games, that is riotgames.com. After that, you have to log in. Once you log in, if you go on to your account information or your personal information, if you navigate to your country or region, once the region is set, you won't be able to change it. So if you want to change the region, you have to submit a ticket to Riot support. So for that, what you have to do is, on the same page, if you navigate at the top, there you will find an option labeled as support. So click on it. And scroll down a bit. Here there are various options given, but that will not help you to change your reason. All you have to do is just scroll all the way down, and at the very end, underneath more help section, you will find a button labeled as submit a ticket. Click on it. Now you have to choose the game for which you want to change your reason for. After that, you have to choose your request type. So choose the right category. Click on this drop down, and here you have to choose the account management, data request or deletion. After that, the page will refresh automatically. Now you can submit a request. It says you must be logged in before you can submit this type of ticket. Here you have to sign in first. So once you're logged in, you will get this form where you have to explain your request. And here provide all your necessary details. Scroll down, click on this drop down and choose the platform. And under subject, you can write change a reason. Head towards the please select your inquiry, click on it, and here you can go to account management. Click on the drop down and you can choose need help changing region of residence or country assigned to account. And here you can click on check, and that's gonna detect automatically. So if you get any error right here or if that is not detecting your reason, then you can go to the description, and in this description box you can provide the reason why you are changing a country. You can say that you are moving a new country, so you need help changing your reason in your Riot account. And once you're done typing in your descriptions, if you have any attachment that you want to add to this form, you can add as well by clicking on this add file or drop file here. If not, click on submit. Now you have to wait for the support response. Riot support will review your request and let you know if they can help. And here the reason changes are typically approved only if you are physically moving to a different country. So once you get the notifications or email from the Riot, that's going to help you change the reason once you follow the instructions. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.